Alright y'all, what is good everybody on YouTube? As you can already see from the title and the thumbnail, you know exactly what we coming to pick up today. We flew all the way from Cancun, Mexico, cut our vacation off early, and we're here to pick these shoes up. But nah, I'm just playing. We was there for like a week.
8 days.
Yeah, we was there 8 days. It was fun, did zip lining. You know, we got on a boat. We did all type of stuff. You know, if you want to see that video, definitely subscribe because that's gonna be coming soon. But we talk about these infrared 4's today. First of all, how'd y'all do? Let me know in the comment section.
Cause we didn't get a chance. We didn't get a chance to try for online because we was in the air. So I hope y'all got enough for us.
Yeah, hopefully y'all was able to secure a pair today, whether it was Sneakers Up, Finish Line, JD, Foot Locker, you know, whatever is your go-to. Luckily, we got exclusive access on JD Sports for the pre-order status, and I was able to get an 11.5 through that. We could have had 4 pairs through exclusive access on JD Sports, but because of how the app was running and all that other stuff,
and Twitter accounts be announcing it.
Yeah, like once because I knew they was gonna post exclusive access, and even when I was right on it, the app still was malfunctioning, so I was only able to get 1 pair there. But with Foot Locker, obviously we're doing a pickup vlog, but Foot Locker in Willowbrook gave us a gray school pair and a men's pair, so that's what we're on our way to go pick up now. And then we'll take a look at it with you guys, go over it, get our first thoughts, opinions on the shoe, and then yeah, we'll wrap this up real brief and then call it a vlog. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So we're gonna get right back to the B-roll. We back in the city, baby.
Thank you, Jesus, for safe traveling.
But yeah, we're gonna see y'all there, so let's get it. Y'all, so we are back at the house, and as you can see, kind of ran up the tab today. I'm gonna pull everything out the bags and just talk about everything while we was in the mall. So first things first, got a pair here from Finish Line,
which was great.
Got a Foot Locker W, you already know, and then we got her size here, Foot Locker,
and then we got Noah's size.
And then we got nephew size right here. I knew Finish Line did like exclusive access for in stores, but some stores found out a little bit too late. So the people that entered the raffle, it probably wasn't that many people that entered. So when we walked in, they basically had a select few sizes in men's and grade school that you can pick up without having any type of, you know, reservation or ticket. But that's the size 10 right there. We're not gonna look at this size. This ain't for me, that's for somebody else. Man, yeah, let's get our first reaction, firsthand, see what these bad boys looking like. You already see there, that's what the size tag reads right there.
You already know 7. Although I feel like Jordan 4's run a little bit small, that I could do a 7.5 in men, but for the price difference, I'll wear my 7Y.
Definitely, but all right, speckle box, you gonna pop the top.
Ooh-wee.
Ooh, yeah, this
infrared Jordan 4.
This probably, I don't know, because didn't the Red Thunders drop this year too?
Was it this year?
It was for my birthday.
Damn.
That was my birthday shoe this year, but
4's have been coming with that heat this year.
Yeah, if y'all had, because the military blacks just came out, if y'all was to choose between these and the military blacks, which one are y'all going with? I feel like, in my opinion, this is probably the best Jordan 4 they've dropped this year, just in my opinion.
And honestly, I think in my opinion, I'm definitely gonna go with these because military blacks, I got black cat 4's, white Oreo 4's. So for me, give me something that's a little bit different, but a complete, totally different colorway. Like we said in the other video with the military blacks, I chose not to keep them because I already have white Oreo 4's and black cats. So it didn't make sense. This is a complete, totally different colorway, and I think it's raw. I actually like the infrared. I think it's a nice pink on right here,
right? Yeah,
and then right here, but then the Jordan is a red. I don't think the colors match, but I like that.
But yeah, I like how it's neutral colors all the way throughout the whole shoe.
Neutral grays,
yeah, neutral grays, different shades of gray at that. The suede is nice and smooth, buttery. You already know, Jumpman on the back, no Nike Air on the back there. The bottoms do have a little bit of white going on there, as you can see there with the red, and then the 2 sections of gray at the front and the back. Hints of infrared all around the shoe. I feel like it's a nice, well put together shoe, and if you were able to get your hands on these, I would definitely be excited about it, because this is a great summer shoe. You want to, have a hint of red but not too much red. This is it. Gray, black, white.
And I think that they did a good job making these too. I barely see any like glue stains, any mishaps. I do see a little bit, but not a lot where it's like crazy. Yeah, there's not a lot of glue stains, nothing. I think they did a good job.
With grade schools, they kind of just slap them together sometimes, but with the Red Thunder 4's, y'all let me know if y'all hit a pair, how y'all pairs ended up coming out. But I mean, when it comes to grade school pairs, they kind of do have some glue stains, but this is not too bad. No, especially when it comes to suede on the uppers, like you don't want to see that glue on there.
But I love a good 4's are definitely one of my favorite silhouettes. But yeah, I'm feeling them. Definitely a keep.
Oh yeah, these are definitely personals. Yeah. So just to wrap up the video on the process of being able to get these shoes today. Foot Locker, I've been preaching in previous videos, the more points you have, the more likely you are to hit. When it comes to JD Sports and Finish Line, the more you shop either online or in a specific store, depending on the store and how much stock they get, will grant you exclusive access. I would say spend around $500 to $1,000 into a store before you can start seeing, exclusive access.
Of your labor,
yeah, especially like online. So, if you keep striking out, just keep trying, keep following pages. Yeah. And this is probably the best time to do it too, just because the United States is going through a recession right now. So people got more important things to worry about than shoes. But, some people still got to feed our habits. You know what I'm saying? They still going to buy them because they got a little change left around. You know what I'm saying? And
like he was saying, this is the perfect time to buy into shoes, or if you're interested in starting. When we went in, they had a bunch of like grade school dunks, sitting, toddler dunks. Although you probably won't make much profit, but you'll still see a little bit of something if you're just trying to build your points. There was a lot of shoes that are still sitting, and we like to see that because, we're not resellers. We will resell if we don't want, but we're usually a personal kind of team. But it's nice seeing that some of the shoes are sitting because all these resellers are done buying up because they're not seeing much of the market.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, there's people that have to want to buy the shoes.
Yeah.
And if there's a lot going on in the world, gas prices gonna be $6, $6, $7. You know what I'm saying? Like, people aren't gonna be looking to buy every single shoe every release day. So if you are fortunate enough financially to, be able to still buy into shoes and you don't have like nothing, you want to start off fresh, you can probably hit up your local mall. They have some shoes sitting around that get you started, get you started, get you a nice little starter pack going.
Yeah.
Build your account up, build your points up. So when it comes to Christmas time, when everybody all of a sudden want to buy gifts for their family or shoes, or tax season, that's gonna come up at the top of 2023. Yeah. You're gonna be prepared. Your account's gonna be nice and juicy. Yeah. And you're gonna be able to start hitting a little bit more via exclusive access or maybe even Foot Locker reservations. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Let us know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the infrared 4's. Did you cop today, or y'all still looking to get these?
Yeah.
I would still be patient. If you want to, I'm gonna post this today. By the time I post this, you can probably check your stores to see if there's any leftovers at Finish Line or JD, or I think they did first come first serve as well. Yeah. Because they realized last second that exclusive access wasn't given out for in stores, so there should be some pairs floating around there. Bigger sizes might be a little bit harder to get, but small sizes is always easy to get. 9, 8.5, 10. Those are the easy sizes. But outside of that, that's it, y'all. Y'all get down in the comment section, like this video, hit that subscribe button. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we fresh off the plane. straight from Cancun. If you don't do anything from this video, just make sure that you got a passport.
That's it.
Unless you're a felon, I'm sorry. But, you know, if you're not a felon watching this video, I'm not gonna discriminate. Get your passport.
That's it.
Travel the world, you feel me? Take some time away from work. Take some time off, you feel me?
Some self-care.
It's the summertime, you know, go somewhere, treat yourself.
Yep.
But yeah, more videos like that coming soon. Got a lot more reviews coming in. I'm pretty sure I got the I'm on my year 2s that's coming in the mail here soon. But
should be here today.
Yeah.
And my UNC dunks.
Yeah, we shared on UNC dunks while we was in Cancun on the Nike app. So now she got 2 pairs. We waiting on them. Stay tuned for those videos. Make sure you subscribe. Go ahead, hit that notification bell, because I'm about to hit y'all with banger after banger after banger. And then yeah, outside of that, we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. So we're gone. Peace.